नमस्ते बेटिया, खुश रहो। वेलकम टू रसशास्त्र एंड भविष्य कल्पना क्लास। माई सेल्फ JBN Dr. Devashish Panigrahi, Department of रसशास्त्र एंड भविष्य कल्पना, Faculty of Ayurvedic Sciences, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Today we are going to discuss session number 29 regarding occurrence of Parada and natural and artificial sources of Parada. Origin and occurrence. Mythologically, Parada or Mercury is claimed to have originated from Lord Shiva or Hara, according to Rasendra Mangala. Attributed to Trailakya Kshavakari, according to Rasaratna Samuchaya. In Rasaratna Samuchaya, it is mentioned that in ancient times, Parada was found mainly in Darada Desa. Quoting the sloka Patita Darada Dese, Rasaratna Samuchaya, chapter 1, sloka number 89, and also in Himalayan foothills. If we find in today's geopolitical map, Daradadesa could be found currently in Pakistan. दर्द का अभिज्ञान दर्दिस्तान, इन द नेम ऑफ दर्दिस्तान के प्रदेश से किया गया है, जिसमें गिलगित और यासिन का इलाका शामिल है। यह प्रदेश उत्तरी कश्मीर और दक्षिणी रूस के समीप पर स्थित है। ये अभी आज की जियोपॉलिटिकल मैप में इंडिया में नहीं है, ये पाकिस्तान में है। दर्द देश वर्सेस दर्दिस्तान. Dardistan region inhabited by the so-called Dard peoples in the north of Pakistan and northern Kashmir. It includes Chitral, the upper reaches of the Panjkora river, the Kosistan highland of Swat, and the upper portion of the Gilgit Agency. Mentioned by the classical historians Pliny the Elder, Ptolemy, and Herodotus. The Dards, Darade, Daradare, and Darde are said to be people of Aryan origin who ascended the Indus Valley from the Punjab plains, reaching as far north as Chitra. They were converted to Islam in the 14th century and speak three distinct dialects of Gilgit, Kohari, Burkasi, and Sina, employing the Persian script in writing. Source of Parada. Except those facts, its exact location, extraction method, and mode of transportation, etc., are not mentioned clearly in our Samhitas. There are different mythological references regarding origin of Parada, and various scholars at different time period interpreted in different ways. From the contemporary knowledge and geological studies, nowadays it has been established that Himalayan range do not have any mercurial ores. Present occurrence. Mercury is a naturally occurring, extremely rare chemical element found in rock in the Earth's crust, including in deposit of coal, having an average crustal abundance by mass of only 0.085 mg per kg ppm by mass. Source: abundance of elements in the Earth's crust and in the sea. CRC Handbook of Chemistry and Physics, 97th edition, 2016-17, page number 14 to 17. With annual production of 4,500 tons, source commodity statistics and information, US tests, geological studies. It exists in several forms: elemental mercury, inorganic mercury, compounds, and methyl mercury and other organic compounds. Minamata Convention to phase out mercury use. The Minamata Convention provides controls over a myriad of products containing mercury, the manufacture, import and export of which will be altogether prohibited by 2020, except where countries have requested an exemption for an initial 5-year period. These products include certain type of batteries, compact fluorescent lamps, relays, soap and cosmetics, thermometers, and blood pressure devices. Dental fillings which use mercury amalgam are also regulated under the convention, and their use must be phased out through a number of measures. 140 member countries' governments have agreed on a range of mercury containing products whose production, export and import will be banned by 2020, and India is also among the 140 member countries who signed the convention treaty. Present occurrence. Mercury ores can be extraordinarily concentrated, considering the element's abundance in the ordinary rock. The richest mercury ore containing up to 2.5% of mercury by mass, and even the least concentrated deposits are at least 0.1% mercury generally found. Near volcanoes, Almaden mines in Spain fulfill 1/3 of the Earth's demand. British Borneo, South Africa, British Columbia of Canada, Brazil, Australia, and of course China. Mercury ores. Mercury in free state is very rare. However, in combined form it can be found. Some have loose bond also. In the classical Shastra reference, two substances, namely Hingula and Girisindura, are found as mercury source. Mercury can be found in native or compound form. In the present day, following are some ores of mercury from which mercury can be extracted. They are calomel, cinnabar or hingula, brick ore or girisindura, silver amalgam, tetrahedrite, livingstonite, barsenite, Gaudal kazarite, and tellurite, etc. Now, we are going to discuss calomel. Calomel is a mercury chloride mineral with formula Hg2Cl2. The name derives from Greek kalos, means beautiful, and melos, black, because it turns black on reaction with ammonia. It is also referred to as the mineral horn quicksilver or horn mercury. Calomel occurs as a secondary mineral which forms as an alteration product in mercury deposits. It occurs with native mercury, amalgam, cinnabar and various clay minerals. Here you can see the photographs. It is sourced from Wikipedia. Cinnabar. It can be correlated with hingula. Cinnabar or cinnabarite, likely derived from the Greek kinnabari. Other sources says the word comes from the Persian sangraf, arabicized. Is the bright scarlet to brick red form of mercury sulfide. It is the most common source ore for refining elemental mercury, and is the historic source of the brilliant red or scarlet pigment, termed vermilion, and associated red mercury pigments. Cinnabar generally occurs as a vein-filling mineral associated with recent volcanic activity and alkaline hot springs. The mineral resembles quartz in symmetry. Cinnabar has a mean refractive index near 3.2, a hardness between 2 to 2.5, and a specific gravity of approximately 8.1. Metacinnabar. Metacinnabar is the cubic form of mercury sulfide. It is the low temperature form and trimorphous with cinnabar, and the high temperature hypercinnabar hexagonal structure. It can be found in both trigonal and hexagonal. It occurs with cinnabar in mercury deposits and is associated with native mercury, wuzurite or stibnite, etc. It was first described in 1870 for an occurrence in the Reddington mine in California, USA. Hepatic cinnabar may be so related with charmarotite of Hingula. Hepatic cinnabar or paragite is a impure brownish or dark hepatic color variety in which the cinnabar is mixed with bituminous, carbon and earthy metals. Liver ore. Liver ore is bituminous salty clay stone which contains up to 65% of mercury. One of the fractured surface can be seen black with red patches. Older fractures of liver ore are impregnated with quartz, pyrite and bitumen, etc. Caroline ore. It may be correlated with Hamsapada Hingula or Pravala Hingula. Due to its resemblance with coral red color, hence it is named after. Especially occurred in Germany and Italy are in the form of red rose color. On an average, it contains 2% cinnabar, 5% silajatu and 56% of phosphorus or phosphate of lime. Steel ore. It can be correlated with Daitendra Rasa. This is another mercury ore with significant percentage of mercury. It contains around 75% of mercury. Montroidite. Montroidite is the mineral form of mercury oxide with formula HgO. Color deep red, brownish red to brown, orange red to pale yellow in transmitted light with decreasing thickness. Luster. Sub-adamantine vitreous. Hardness 1.5 to 2. Specific gravity 11.23. It is a rare mercurial mineral. It was first described for an occurrence in the mercury deposit at Texas, USA and named for Montreat Sharp, who was an owner of the deposit. Montreatite occurs in mercury deposits of hypothermal origin. Livingstonite. Formula HgSb4s6s2. Color blackish grey. Hardness 2. Specific gravity 4.88. Crystal system monoclinic. Luster adamantine metallic. Named by Mariano Barcina in 1874 in honor of David Livingstone, 19th March 1813, Zambia, the African explorer. Basenite. Color dark grey, nearly black. Luster resinous and dull. Hardness 5.5. A mixture of cinnabar and stibiconite. Originally reported from Fujituco de los Figueroa, Mexico. Some other ores are Gaudalcarzite, Teluguite, Eglestonite, Kalinite and Mosesite, etc. Artificial source of mercury. Levels of mercury in the environment are increasing due to discharge from hydroelectric mining, pulp and paper industries, incineration of municipal and medicinal waste and emission from coal using power plants also contribute to high levels of mercury. In today's session number 29, we discussed on occurrence of Parada, sources of paradar and various mineral ores. MCQ related with today's topic: chemically Hingula H, HgO, Hg2Cl2, HgS, HgSb4, S6, S2. Which of the following is calomel? Question number 3. Girisindra is. This session is powered by digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, then mention in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.